Linus, uh, today I want to ask you about very important and unique technique about cosmic Bluetoothing, and we have also done practices surrounding that, uh, which are absolutely fantastic. Uh, but I wanted to know more about the philosophy or the theory behind SOI's cosmic Bluetoothing.
The discovery of Bluetoothing,
Mm-hmm.
you see, in technology
Mm.
is is a is a duplication of cosmic Bluetoothing. From time immemorial,
Mm.
cosmic Bluetoothing is always going on.
Mm.
That means the data from sun to moon, moon to earth, from earth to uh, trees,
Mhm.
trees to water, all that data is already going on without wire.
Wirelessly, yeah.
Already does. So cosmic Bluetoothing is not something new.
Mm.
It's a phenomenon that was discovered
Mm.
later on, you
Mm.
see. And from that, they thought that why not we have Bluetoothing between two instruments.
Mm.
So, from two instruments, they started wireless
Transferring data.
transferring data, and it was called Bluetoothing. But this Bluetoothing is very limited. It
Mm.
can go up to 30 feet or
Mm.
50 feet and all
Mm.
that. But cosmic Bluetoothing is infinitely more effective.
Mm.
So what happens is that the whole universe
Mm.
is a matrix
Mm.
of signals,
Mm.
energies, uh, different types of transformations.
Mm.
And all that. The whole universe is replete with formless contents.
Mm.
You see, and they are all interacting with each other wirelessly,
Mm.
wirelessly, because they are all in compatibility with each other.
Mm.
When, for example, a star, if a star is not compatible with the universe, then it will fall down. They have to remain in compatibility for transfer of energies from itself. So, universe is a matrix of interactive transfer of energies, transformations, all that. So, what we are doing here is we are applying the same principle. But there are conditions, you see. Universe is able to transfer data from one planet to another planet, to different things in the same planet, because they are all compatible.
Right.
But we have not owned cosmos as our own.
Right.
We think that we are the creation of Earth,
Right.
and we have nothing to do with cosmos.
Right.
So there is no compatibility because we have no relationship. So this is an act of isolation from the mother from where we are born. So we have to reconnect with our mother harmoniously, and that is called compatibility. And then when we are able to reconnect in with our heart, as if there is no difference between me and the earth, me and the cosmos, then in that comes third question is pairing.
Pairing.
You are paired. So just like we have seen in technology, Bluetoothing takes place when you are among the paired instruments, not among So cosmic Bluetoothing takes place when we are paired with cosmos. And what soil does, School of Internal Literacy does, is to teach this methodology of how to connect with cosmos, how to be compatible with it. So, once you are compatible and paired, you don't have to download anything. You see, because download is already going on.
Right.
It did not touch you because you were not connected. Like mobile. No? If your mobile is not charged, and you put that mobile into a socket, you see, with your wire, you see, then it's not that you have to do any effort to transfer energy from the point to your mobile.
Charge automatically.
It's not charged because it is connected.
Right.
It is same with Bluetoothing, that when we are in great unison, great oneness with the whole cosmos, download takes place, energy gets transferred, you see, within us, spontaneously. So, soil recommends that we should do some practices which involve Bluetoothing. The advantage of Bluetoothing is that data transferred is in abundance.
Right.
Because cosmos, the universe, is the storehouse of abundance.
Right.
You see, and it has all the form. The surprise. One important thing to understand is that between forms there can be no Bluetoothing. That is, I cannot transfer my bag to you by Bluetoothing. But only with formless there is a Bluetoothing. One that has no form, like peace, like energy, like tranquility, like joy, like exuberance. Whatever you want, transfer it, remain with it, allow that to absorb into whole system, then take another one. You do this 10 times, and if you come to a soil meeting and do 10 times, it will take 15 minutes. But in 15 minutes, your whole internal landscape will be changed. You will not remain the same person.
Wow.
You see, is not a practice that we say you will receive the results after 1 month or after 10 days. No, in the first meeting, on the same day, in 15 minutes, you will see the transfer.
Right. So what you're doing is you are basically all the inherent qualities of the cosmos that you're downloading in your own body and the psyche. Basically.
In a way, yes. But the fact is that we come from cosmos.
Right.
You see, like if you take a drop of water from the sea, then that drop of water has got all the qualities, same qualities as the sea.
Right.
You see, though it looks separate, you see, like a drop of water,
Right.
you see. But if you merge with it, then there is a merger.
Right.
And that drop of water does not remain drop of water, but it becomes sea. Yeah. Like that, when we merge with cosmos, we are not one of the parts of the cosmos. We are the cosmos. And that is a huge phenomenon. Is a phenomenon of transference, transformation also.
Right.
And I would say that if you do this for 1 year, it will take 20 minutes every day, but if you do this for 1 year, an important change that will come is that it will trigger process inside your body for transformation, just like a butterfly you see transforms into a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. Same process will start into you. It's not that from caterpillar to butterfly is a one-day affair. No, for a long time a process goes on towards improving inside, so that at one point of time it comes out, like a bird comes out from the egg. It's the same thing. So I would recommend people, you see, to use these simple techniques, come to soil,
Right.
free of charge, with lot of joy,
Right.
with lot of oneness, you see.
Right.
Learn from it in friendship.
Sure.
This is the point.
Thank you.